Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my basic chocolate sponge cake recipe, which you can use to make Black Forest and Dutch truffle cake, for which you require half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of oil and milk, 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.